I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Purina Layena feed. So this is a crumble for layers, so for mature hens. I feed it to my chickens starting around 18 weeks, so when they're really ready to start to lay eggs. And I like that this is a nutritionally complete feed, so they can eat just this. I tend to supplement with food scraps and that kind of thing too, and let them free range. But if they just ate this, it would provide all the nutrition that they need to lay eggs. You can see we've got a picture of an Easter egger here. They're blue eggs. In fact, they do lay blue eggs. As you can see over here, my chickens have decided to lay outside of the nest box as usual. And another thing I like here is that this has the oyster shells that you need to maintain a strong egg shell for your chickens built right in. So you don't have to supplement with additional oysters, oyster shell, or other kind of calcium supplements. Everything that you need is right in the feed. And I like that because that's just one fewer step you have to do to make sure that they're ready to lay strong shelled eggs. There's also prebiotics, probiotics in there. I'm not sure how much of a difference that ultimately makes, but again, that oyster shell is extremely important, as well as the protein that they need to lay an egg every single day. So let's go ahead and load this up into my feeder here. This is my Rent-A-Coop 10-pound poultry feeder. This is a 10-pound bag of food. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in. Okay, fill that up. There we go. It's nice and full. Let's pop the lid on, and then let's see what the chickens think. And there they are. They definitely seem to be enjoying the feed. That's my Purina Layena feed.